All right, we've got another Venn diagram problem here where we need to work out probabilities, but they're making us do a little bit more work here by putting together the Venn diagram. And we're working with percents. So it seems like a bit of a challenge, but we know it's not. We can do this. First of all, I think I'm going to start with putting in my sets here. We're talking about a PE test with two sections, a theory and a practical, and some people are passing the theory part. Yep, some people are passing the practical part, and some people are passing both. Good for them. So they're going to overlap. Here, this is good. Now I need to label some things here. We've been here already in another problem. So the total number of people, I don't know how many are in the total in my universal set, so I'm going to write that as T for total. Then I'm going to label my sets here. I've got a theory part and a practical part. That's all right. I'm going to label you as TH. This is going to be a little messy, but that's right. EORY. And practical, PRACTICAL. Excuse me. Now I'm going to put these where they belong. T for total. Putting you up here. Now this is what I meant by getting a little messy, because I got to try to nicely fit this in over here. That's all right. It cut into the circle a little bit, but we're going to get the idea. Practical, you're over here. That's all right. You're cutting into the circle a little bit. And now we've seen a problem like this before where there's going to be people in every region here, here. Well, just start assigning variables. So I've got A, B, C, and D. All right, put you guys where you belong. D, these are the people who didn't pass anything. That's not good. C, some people just passed the practical. Some people passed everything. That's the practical and the theory. And some people only passed the theory. Okay. Geez, we've made great progress already. Okay, fix that up there. Now what? Now I'm going to read the clues. Everyone in class who took the PE test passed at least one section. Oh, I should have read the clues first. What's that telling us? We have nobody that didn't pass anything. So that's kind of good. Let's get rid of you. Delete and fill you in here. And now we're going to look at this again. Everyone in the class who took the PE test passed at least one section. So we only have values in here, A, B, and C. Okay, 62% passed the theory section. Okay, we're going to write this out. The theory section, those people are the A's plus the B's, and that equals to 0.62 or 62% of the total. And then we have 83% pass the practical. So that's I'll write this over here. B plus C is equal to 0.83T. Okay, let's, by now you know what I'm up to. I'm going to slide this over a little bit. And put that there. Okay. And I'm going to fill this back in with white here. And what do we want to know? We're going to add this up here. And add this all up. And here we go, text box. Now I know normally normally I put a little box there and say I'm adding these. But here we've got A plus, I'm adding these two equations. This equation plus this equation. B plus B is 2B plus that C is equal to, that's going to be 1.43T. Okay, it seems a little strange, does it? No, it doesn't. We know that altogether, we said that everybody passed something. That's A plus B plus C is equal to 100% of the total. I just put 1T if I want it. Now I think I'm going to use this, what I'm going to do is that, put my little box here, because I do want to be clear here that I am, brushy, taking this equation from the top one. Okay? So when I do this, I get A take away A is no A's. 2B take away B is just a B. C take away C is no C's. 1.43 take away 1 is 0.43T. All right, well, that's good news. That tells us that 43% of the total passed everything. What's the question here? Work out the probability that this person, if I choose somebody at random, pass the theory section given that they pass the practical section. I think I need to know what B, A, and C are. I got the B. I know that, what's going on here? A plus B is equal to 0.62. So A plus 0.43T is equal to 0.62T, where A is equal to 0.62T minus 0.43T. That's got to be equal to 0.19T. Similarly, down below here, we've got B plus C. All right, B plus C is equal to 0.83T. B I know is 0.43T plus the C, which I don't know yet, is equal to 0.83T. But now I do. C is equal to 0.83T. Take away 0.43T, which is equal to 0.40T. Okay. I'm going to leave it like this for now, kind of. I'm going to put my, you should be equal to here. What happened to my equal sign? Equals. Anyways, we got that. A, I'm going to write underneath here. A, we said, is equal to 0.19T, and C is equal to 0.40T. Now, our question down below is question A bracket. Pass the theory section given that we, what's the probability of that we pass this theory section, T, given that they pass the practical section? Okay, we need some colors here. Green for go, fill in here. Given that we pass the practical, we're already talking about, there's a problem. We can fix that problem, no problem. I need to fix that circle. That's going to be all right. I better do it on the other side too. Because when I fill, I don't want the whole screen filling up. Okay, here we go. Given that we've already passed the practical, fill that in green. What's the probability of getting someone that passed the theory section out of that? So I'm going to, that's yellow. Okay, now I'm black. And marker, here. This is going to be equal to, now on the bottom, we want the total options here out of the practical. That is B plus C. B plus C we know is 0.83T. 0.83T. Okay? 83% of the total, that's going to give me some number here. It's all right if I don't know what that total is. You're going to see, because T, the people who passed the theory, that was, we said, was the B. So we're only looking at the practical here. That's the B and C part. But also, they also passed the theory. So keeping inside this practical circle, who also passed the theory, that's just the B. And we know B is equal to 0.3T. 0.43T. Now, this is good news. I got T on the top and T on the bottom, so I'm fixing my fraction there. That cancels, and I'm left with, now here's a decimal here, 0.43, oh, this is messy, sorry, over 0.83. Now I'm going to use my calculator, but I don't want to use the decimals so many times. Multiply top and bottom by 100. I'm just trying to make this convenient for myself. We could say that's the answer, but that answer doesn't make a lot of sense. How often do you say 43 out of 83? I'm going to get my calculator and divide that. 43 divided by 83 is, I got 0.512. 0.512, or that's a 51.2% chance. All right, next one. Let's start with the typewriter here. I'll write this way down here. B. What do we want here? I want the probability that someone has passed the practical section, given that they passed only one section. Pass the practical, given that they pass only one section. No problem, we can figure this out. We need the colors to help us. White. Clear this, clear this. Green. Given that we've only passed one section, where is that? Well, either we've only passed the theory or we've only passed the practical. Okay? And then we want, or that they pass the practical. Okay. Now, maybe I should be thinking about how to write that, but I'm not going to right now. I'm just going to solve the problem. Whatever that is equals to the bottom, that's going to be the A plus the C. A plus C, where are you? A, we said, is 0.19T. C is 0, okay, let's make 0.40T. That adds up to 0.59T. Okay, there's my scrap work, putting that over here. Total number of options here is 0.59. 59% of the people pass one section or the other. But we're looking for, but they pass the practical. That's the C. C, we said, is 0.40T. 40T. Now, we've got T on top and bottom. We're multiplying, so I cancel that. That's equal to, and I'm going to multiply by 100 at the same time. I get 40 out of 59. Now, I don't really like that fraction, so I'm going to grab my calculator. It's okay for an answer, it's just only okay. So I got 40 divided by 59, and I got 0, I'm going to round this. I got a lot of decimal places here. So I'm rounding to 0.677966. I'm going to round that up to 8 and 8. Or approximately 67.8%. So what's the probability that if I choose a person at random who happens to have already passed one section, so that's the pool that I'm choosing from, what's the chances that they passed the practical? 67.8%. This was a little bit of work, not too bad. It combined a lot of things that we've been working with, but It's just you keep steady at it, and we work our way to the end and get our answers. I hope you're happy with those. Any questions, let me know, and we'll see what we can do to amend the video or add in the comment section. Have a good day.